Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Agile CRM for lead pipeline management, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the official Agile CRM website. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. In the next field, input your account password. If you wish to stay logged in, check the Remember Me option. Before proceeding, make sure all information is entered correctly. Click the Login button to access your Agile CRM account. Once logged in, you will be taken to the dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the Leads section on the left sidebar. Click on Leads to view your lead pipeline. Here, you can add new leads, manage existing ones, and track their progress. To add a new lead, click on the Add Lead button. Fill in the required information for the new lead. Be sure to include details such as name, email, and phone number. Once completed, click the Save button to add the lead to your pipeline. To update an existing lead, select the lead from your list. Edit any details necessary and ensure to save your changes. You can also utilize filters to sort leads based on their status or other criteria. Explore additional features like tagging and assigning leads for better management. Familiarize yourself with the reporting tools available for tracking lead performance. Regularly check your dashboard for updates and notifications. This will help you stay informed about your lead management efforts. Finally, ensure to log out of your account when finished to maintain security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.